Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Today we will show you a very detailed step-by-step recipe to prepare a popular Christmas sweet that is truly colorful, delicious, and one that melts in your mouth. It is generally made with almonds, but we prefer making it with cashew nuts. Our recipe is time-tested, easy to make, and the results are always perfect. Our deliciously colorful recipe for today is marzipan. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. Take 150 grams of sugar, that is equal to half cup plus 1 tablespoon. Grind the sugar in a dry mixer grinder to make a fine powder. Sugar powder is ready. Take 100 grams of cashew nuts without their skin. This is equal to slightly less than 2/3 cup. Grind the cashew nuts in a dry mixer grinder for 2 seconds at a time. Use the pulsing method to make a fine powder. Cashew nut powder is ready. Take 1 egg white which is lightly beaten. 1 tablespoon of rose water. You will need 1 rubber or silicone mold. This mold will be used to make the marzipan. Step 2. Preparing the cashew paste. In a mixer grinder, add the sugar powder. Then add the cashew nut powder. Add the egg white. Add the rose water. Grind for 1 or 2 minutes at a time and then rest the mixer. Grind until it becomes a smooth paste. If your machine overheats while grinding, start grinding with a small quantity and keep adding more until the entire quantity is ground, or you could grind in smaller quantity batches. Cashew paste is ready. Step 3. Cooking the cashew paste. Add the cashew paste in a wide open, heavy bottom pan which is kept on low heat. Stir continuously to prevent burning or sticking to the bottom or sides of the pan. Check for sweetness and add sugar powder if needed. Stir it continuously to prevent it from burning and sticking to the bottom or sides of the pan.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
After 7 to 8 minutes, do the cold water test to check if the paste is ready. Turn off the heat. Take a bowl of cold water and add a small portion of the paste in it. After a few seconds, roll the paste into a small ball. If it is not sticky, the mixture is ready. If it sticks, cook for 1 to 2 minutes more and repeat the cold water test to check if it is ready. Our cashew paste is now ready. Transfer the mixture to a surface which is lightly greased with butter and let it cool for some time. Step 4. Preparing the dough. When the mixture is cool enough to handle, lightly grease your palm with butter and start kneading. At first, it will feel sticky, but after kneading for a while, it will turn into a soft, pliable dough. You can add half teaspoon of rose essence or almond essence if extra flavor is needed. You can find out this by tasting the dough. If the dough is hard, little rose water can also be added. Continue kneading until it becomes a soft, pliable dough, which may take some time and effort.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Our dough is now ready for making marzipan. Step 5. Preparing the colored dough. Divide the dough based on the number of colors you will use. We will use 2 colors, so we will divide the dough into 3 equal portions. One portion will remain neutral without any added color. We now take the first portion of dough. To make a pink color dough, add 1 drop of red food color in the center and massage it throughout the dough. You can use liquid color or gel. This entirely depends on you. However, we use liquid color. To get a darker shade, add 1 or 2 more drops of the food color. Our pink color dough is ready. Now add 2 drops of green food color in the center and massage it throughout the dough. Remember to wash your hands before handling a new color to prevent the previous color from coming on to the new dough. Green color dough is also ready. Now our colored dough is ready for preparing the marzipan.
Step 6. Preparing the marzipan.
Lightly grease the marzipan mold with butter. Take a small portion of the dough, roll it into a smooth marble-sized ball in the palm of your hand. Put the ball in the marzipan mold, press and spread the ball as per the shape. Remove any excess dough on the edges and level it to form a smooth surface. Continue doing this until all the shapes of the mold are filled. If you do not have a marzipan mold, you can make different shapes using your artistic creativity. If you are using 2 colors in the same mold, then make 2 smaller sized balls of different colors and press them together in the mold. Continue doing this until all the shapes of the mold are filled. Now all the shapes in the mold are filled and leveled. Lightly hit the back of the mold with a spatula or wooden spoon to unmold the marzipan.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Continue doing this until the entire dough is finished. Deliciously colorful marzipan is ready. These are so tasty, you just can't stop after eating one.
Do let us know if you liked this video and see you soon with another interesting Goan recipe. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe. God bless you all.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.